In this video, I'll show you how you can change the TikTok video thumbnail, and I'll get into this right away. So all you need to do is upload a clip or a video, of course, to TikTok, which I'll do right now. So I'm going to click on the plus icon. Let's just allow all of this good stuff. Right there, I'm going to click on upload, and I'm just going to upload this video right here. Click on next. So just upload the video that you want to upload. Click on next as well. So this is not the part where you can actually change the thumbnail. That's where you can actually like cut this and edit and all of that good stuff. But where you can actually add or change the thumbnail is at the end, right before posting. So you can click on next here as well. Okay, so this is where you can actually do that, because right there you'll see select cover. Now click on select cover, and this is where you can do this. So right now you can basically take this and basically like slide through this different like, I don't know, like different kind of thumbnails. So choose the one that you would like to use. Then you can also see what that looks like. But that's how you can change the thumbnail on a TikTok video. It's that easy. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions about this, hit me up in the comments down below, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.